Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS and let's light up our homes for the festive season. I don't prefer buying anything just before the festive season. I always try to make it or collect it over time. I brought some of these items online. I will mention the link in the description box below. And some of these are DIYs like the gold and silver and the potpourri candle, linen spray. Well, everyone has a very different perspective, but I like to maintain the festive vibes in my home for a longer period of time. So, in spite of overdoing some things, I like to manage the decor in such a way which can be kept for a longer time. These placement mats are from a local market. I got these cushion covers from Amazon. They looked very nice initially, but I didn't end up liking them. Guys, this is really not sponsored, but all the throws from Saral are really economical to buy and the fabric is very nice. This table runner is also from Amazon. It is very classy and the fabric is very good. So let's get started. Enjoy the festive season and spread good vibes wherever you go. Please subscribe to our channel for many more amazing content. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.